In this video, I'll show you how to sign in Gmail account in iPhone. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your settings, right? Come on here, type in account, right? Then you're gonna see this add account, click on it. Right now you're gonna see you can add either an iCloud account, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AIO, Outlook, or others, right? So click on this Google, right? Once you click on it right here, you're gonna be able to sign in your Gmail account right into your iPhone. So you're gonna enter, let me see how to do, right? Just for an example. So this is it. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna click on the next. So yeah, so you can see this is the how to do account, right? So I'm not going to enter it. This is just for an example. So this is basically how you can sign in Gmail account in iPhone. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.